Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change column heading from numbers to alphabet in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Excel, and as you can see, I have numbers on my column heading, and I'm going to change it to alphabet. First thing first, we can click on the file option. And then we're going to click on the more option and then select options, and you're going to go to the formulas. Okay, and you can uncheck this option guys. Just uncheck it and click on OK. And as you can see that the numbers has been changed to alphabet. And if you want to get back the numbers, you can just do the same step. Just go to file, go to more, select option, go to the formulas, and you can check this option and you will get the numbers back on your column heading. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change column heading from numbers to alphabet. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.